you have a good picture?
Yeah.
Archer? Every year they're different.
Set it on the garbage can.
The old man's got to have his
Tell us how close we should get. Set it in the garbage and we'll just walk up to it.
Well, you know.
Explain that at the border.
Well, all they got to do is open it up and they're going to know what it is.
Have some water and a spoon? We'll test her
Arrange yourselves.
Huh?
Arrange ourselves?
Alright.
What are we doing? We arrange?
that too.
Finest tools you can buy at Kmart.
A drawer?
Check that in there. What's in there?
Little treasures are in there. Just little screws and ties.
This is regular right here, right?
Amazing amount of shit for like $10, huh?
Yeah. Actually, I got one of these in my car as well. I put them in everything. Car, I put them in the truck, and they're so cheap. God, they're handy.
Well, yeah, I mean, they're not the best in tools, but you're not using them every day to fix anything.
Yeah, and not in the
Here, hold this up.
Just need some to...
Hold something. I got light. I didn't work on this. Careful, Chuck.
Alright. Good slip.
Rick!
Get the gloves on.
Thomas.
I'll need a little extension.
This is like watching a
We got an episode.
It's like watching a skilled surgeon in action.
Yeah. Just take the thing back and get the tools out of here.
Sure you know what you're doing, sir?
Huh?
Let me see what you got.
Have you been tested out on those tools?
Could be a grievance file.
You got a certificate?
No, I don't.
Certainly it's loose. You push it and
It's loose.
okay.
Oh, I got one more.
I'll get your rag too. I know there's going to be grease.
Oh, right.
Okay.
Wait.
Pretty new.
Pretty new?
It's like kids.
Okay. I can see it on our
Cutting all over the map.
What type of list you got on there?
They do.
What is it?
If you got one of those...
Oh my God, glasses on. Tommy, you're going to have to read it for me. I can't remember. It's,
It originated in Canada.
here.
Yeah, I know. I've got a legal one. There's a lot of that stuff.
28 large. Something like that. I have to get my glasses on. Number. Oh yes, you keep forgetting yours. You're blind like you. Kind of read it.
It's not that expensive.
128.
$60
Huh? There. There it is.
that shit.
No, we don't have that.
Gay shit. You don't have that?
No.
Pride, that's called
Pride
Pride
TV?
TV.
We should
It's
look.
an all gay channel.
Where do you get that up here?
Yeah, you can.
That's right.
I retired the jerseys.
He's trained. I got him trained.
The sweater's going down. Come on. Heavy police.
An old hockey team you played for? Yeah, they
You
have
gotta
a
ask Gus if you can go in
benefit
there.
game every year.
I see.
Glad to meet with them once a year. We've got New Jerseys this year. New Jerseys. We retired the old one. Nice sweater, man.
Oh, yeah.
Did you wear that shirt when you came across the border?
Number 6, I think you're a defenseman? Yep. Okay.
Stevie, did you bring Stardust? Did you?
I have it on tape.
What
the hell was that?
You're never gonna. Get him, Dustin.
He who laughs last, laughs first, laughs last, or something like that.
He laughs last, thinks slow.
Thinks slow.
That's the deal. Where you got at?
One. Check surrender. Oh,
Get him out of the way. Yeah, go on.
Oh! Did you get it? Do we see that?
Does carry a bit of a grudge now, doesn't he? It's too bad.
Yeah, well, last night about this time I was just putting Miss Daisy to bed.
Driving Miss Daisy.
Are tasty.
Yeah,
Got a little light.
Sweetening them up a little
lot
more
of
than in the
flavor.
past.
Maybe so, yeah.
Terry, as I recall, these were shorter,
These
not
seem
quite
different.
as sweet.
These are sweet. A lot of rum.
These are much sweeter.
Actually, the other ones you didn't even nip either because they were cut. Oh. Nice flavor. Jade.
Like a hand-rolled
Jade is no name.
Busher sweet.
Who's got a lighter that works? That one works. It's childproof.
Don't take that comment.
We had speed talk on it too. Here, buddy.
Patrick Raw.
Seems to be about the time we eat.
We'll shoot for like
We got lots left to do yet today.
10 o'clock dinner.
Yeah.
Nine, whatever. 9 or 10.
So by cleaning these three, this brings us down to our limit. Is that the deal, Gus?
It's just oversized.
Oh, okay.
These are not in the slot.
Oh,
But each person can have one.
Over 27.
I hate to say it.
Well,
As long as the knife is hot.
you guys, it's not me. So we got 3 clean, so we had 11, so we got 8. We can still catch 6 more and put them on the stringer. Catching they were 19 though, we may have to let them go.
There you go.
Oh, here we go.
Here.
Well,
how many inches? Right there.
Oh yeah, moving in already.
the process has begun.
There's been some sampling going on, Gus.
Oh, I'll bet, eh? I'll bet.
How are you?
How's that been going?
Well, we'll tell you. We'll get back to you then.
I might have to.
Yeah, to verify it?
See one
Go and trust there, Penny.
violated.
Fish is best eaten hot.
You know, great thing is no longer am I the whitest man in Minnesota. I have color.
See that color, Charlie?
Huh?
Let me see. Oh, we got a nice shine there.
Charles.
No longer the whitest
A
man
good
in
sheen.
Minnesota.
Charles the Red. Charles the First the Red.
Hail to King Charles.
Hail.
Hail.
Zing.
Zing.
Zing. Zing. Zeke. It is Zeke.
Boys, I can see this kind of meal. I do a salad about 7 o'clock. In my dream, midnight. I can see the time.
Watch some of this up here.
Which, yeah, the sun went down straight over there. So west,
West has got to be over there.
given this parallel, west has got to be what?
Oh, west is,
West is like this.
West is down that way. That's southwest. There's south. Southeast is east over there. This way in the northwest right now, Charlie.
For the higher latitude, at some point it's set straight west.
Oh, that's true. Higher latitude. You get a compass out and shoot an azimuth.
Terry would
Always want to get into those furry devils. You're taking a little MPV video.
Yeah. How's fishing today, Charles?
Fishing was great. I two very, very fine days of fishing. Enjoyed myself immensely. Caught some good walleye. And weather was fantastic. Every day's been perfect.
You know, one of the finest things about the whole day was Partridge is back.
He was back in action.
Let's see your back.
Yeah, contributed solidly.
As always.
There might be a piece of bait he has to return for credit.
Anomaly.
Okay.
What do you got, 20 second or a 30 second?
As long as you want, really.
Was that right?
Yeah.
So it's got voice too?
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah, it'll go as long as your memory card will hold.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What do you got? The 128?
Yeah, 128.
Yeah. You know, my camera came with a 16.
What they come with is
Fucking horseshit.
pretty well useless.
Yep. I keep that for an absolute.
That's right.
You know, I bought a 128 anyway.
Yeah, you got to have it.
Yeah. 128 goes a long ways.
I think the highlight of my day was when Terry hooked that 8-9 pound walleye with the Zebco $13.99 special from Walmart. That'd be a testimonial to the quality of that rod and reel.
I'm impressed. That's a big
And he landed it like a real professional. It's like a Babe Winkleman. Reeled that baby in there.
Well, some good help on the net. Charlie netted him with one scoop, and of course Tom repaired the net beforehand, which would have been impossible to get that fish in otherwise.
Tom was like a MacGyver.
It's a real stress test. That's right. It's a real stress test for that net. I was really sweating it. The last thing I wanted to see is that net just come apart in midair and that big fish get away.
Ooh, that would have been bad.
That would have been bad.
Net?
Gotta get higher.
Going backwards more than forward.
Keep one foot behind the post.
I guess so.
The man from Owatonna. Watch the technique.
Lost on that now. Up in the air. Up. Up. That's one of these girls where you get going to winning now. Here it is. Yeah. It'll bounce against the bullet. Roll back. Yep. And you're right in.
Still hot air can get out. Yeah. This thing should have a good life expectancy.
Well, it hasn't aged.
No. You know, might have to redo the screens and some of the trim around there, but
Screens in the door are the biggest thing. Otherwise, it's pretty cool. The Can-Am team. So what do you attribute your sudden success to, gentlemen?
I think it's been the actual lack of competition down the south. We haven't had any good competition. We get up here, we got some good, good competitors here.
A little bit chippy, eh, Charlie?
Chippy. Chippy. Cabana music?
When I was brushing shooter, he'll eat the hair. I
know. I see lots of dogs do that. Yeah. My kid started to eat the hair. His own hair.
His own hair.
Over and licks it up. I'm like, huh?
I think they like to bark, you know.
They love grass. Shooter likes it.
Oh, yeah.
Makes your stomach feel better.
Yes, so. So fiber need to be crawling.